Emirati real estate developer Binghatti has reported record profit for the first half of 2025, jumping a whopping 172% year on year. Meanwhile, sales rose 60% compared to the first half of 2024, and 61% of those sales were to non-resident buyers, which is also up from 55% the year prior. I'm happy to discuss the numbers and the broader real estate sector with the chairman of Binghatti, Mohammed Binghatti. Really good to have you with us on the show. So much has happened since the last time we spoke. I feel like it's been a very busy year for you. We spoke to your colleague a couple months back about the launch of Binghatti Capital, recently launching London Boutique, but maybe let's just start with these earnings. Very strong net profit, rising more than 172% year on year. What's fueling this performance?
Well, I mean, you may have heard we recently opened our sales boutique in London. We also opened in Riyadh and places like China. So we're definitely extending our footprint in terms of sales presence and really pushing our sales revenues from all around the world. We've been following where the revenues are coming in from and really ensuring that our presence is there physically. So a lot of pressure in terms of sales performance for the organization.
It feels even more surprising given everything that has happened in the region geopolitically and over the course of the first half of this year. Did you see demand dip a little bit? Was there some nervousness out of the types of buyers that would typically come in?
Not at all. I think if anything, it proved the robustness of the market and the resilience. We've seen the demand continue at all points of time throughout the year. You saw the figures. So sales, half-year sales of 8.8 billion dirhams. And I think it's only going to continue towards the end of the year.
Yeah. How do you see the outlook for prices, for luxury pricing towards the second half of this year? Because everything signals that there is still growth, but perhaps the growth is beginning to moderate.
Yeah, I think there will be room for more growth. If you look at the first half's performance, we've seen a 23% growth year on year in terms of transactions. So that translates to around 263 billion dirhams worth of transactions for the first half. I think that's going to continue. It's going to be driven by an inward migration of ultra-high net worth individuals from different parts of the world. I think it's also going to continue because of the populational growth, which is steadily going towards 4 million towards the end of 2025. And if we continue at this rate, I think we will hit 5.8 million by 2040, according to the figures. So I think we're on an upward trajectory. We're also seeing a lot of stimulus in the market by government expenditure, in projects under Dubai Agenda D33. So a lot of government expenditure going into these projects, creating jobs and really bringing in more people to live and work in Dubai.
What is the split between residents and non-resident buyers for your projects?
Very good question. So